Now I'm going to show you how to create a month-to-date target in Plecto. It can be kind of demotivating for your employees when they have a whole target at the beginning of the month. So let's say they have a target of 50,000 and it's the beginning of the month, so obviously they haven't reached that or are not even close to reaching that yet. Then you can use a month-to-date target instead to make it even more motivating. So the way you do that is you just click New Formula and you add a new component. And here you can choose an existing formula, for example. I'm just going to use the target I have here, like that. Then I'm going to add another component, and here I'm going to use the date function. So I basically want to see number of work days from start date to widget end date here. And what I want to do is I'm going to choose divide here, like that. And I'm going to add another component. Again, it's going to be a date function, but instead of having widget end date here, I'm going to say today, and I'm going to change this one to multiply, like that. And there you have it. It's just very important that when you add it to your widget in your dashboard that you choose monthly view.